So to start with, this makes sense, right? This is correct and true that if you look at bespoke, you know, hardware appliances built for these type of applications, they are, you know, expensive but designed to solve a very specific problem and to do it in a purposeful manner, right, to meet those requirements. So, of course, things like low latency are intrinsically just met because they're custom built to solve that problem. And so I agree with this, right? The place where I start to differ a little bit from this data is considering things like operational cost and complexity. Certainly from, you know, we talked a little bit a while ago about the multi-vendor integration challenges of a virtualized environment, and perhaps this is driving some of this consideration. But going forward, without a doubt, it's been quite well proven that lower operational cost and complexity is absolutely a result of moving to virtualization. But you do have to get through that kind of birthing phase where you, as an operator, you have it in your network, you're comfortable with the technology, you have the skills and organization set up to run it, as some of the major tier ones have done worldwide. And once you get there, there's no doubt they would never take, you know, those type of service providers would never even issue an RFP for a proprietary appliance anymore. They move directly to virtualization every time. With that said, we'll still have the pressure for low latency performance in 5G, and we've talked a little bit today about the performance requirements of that, especially around hardware accelerators. So that's clearly a challenge for this space, but it's one we believe has been met and proven, and you'll see in the next year or so deployments starting to use these technologies that meet those latency requirements.